Every year around this time, I do an event called Chefs of the World Taste of Fame. The event is to help raise money for HBCUs, and I volunteer my time by decorating a couple of tables for New Orleans chef Averill Thomas. Well, this year the event snuck up on me, and I had to quickly come up with some fabulous centerpieces to complement all the star-studded guests. Well, today I want to show you how I dressed my tables with a lot of sparkle and little time using a combination of the methods I showed you in my last video. In my last video, I experimented with creating different mosaic mirror glass pieces. I really like the look of this one, but it was very time consuming to make. So since I didn't have much time to work with, I decided to use the German glass method I used in the last video. But instead of German glass, this time I'm using large silver glitter pieces that I found at Michael's. These were similar to the sequins pieces that I had to cut for the piece that I did like. So I decided to mix a combination of the large silver pieces with small silver pieces and fine gold glitter dust. So for each table, I'd like to have 2 blingy candle holders and 1 tall centerpiece. So with Gorilla Glue epoxy, I'm gluing together 2 glass candlestick holders I got from Dollar Tree and a large fishbowl vase. I'm making 4 of these, 2 for each table. After the glue was completely dry on all 4 of these, I used my metallic bronze paint to paint 1 coat of the tops and bottoms of the candle holders. Next, I'm painting a good amount of Mod Podge over the dried painted area. And in sections, I'm covering the piece with the silver and gold glitter mixture. And I'll do the same for the bottom section of the candle holder that I painted. But as you can see, by using the large and small silver pieces, it's giving me this crushed mirror effect that I'm really loving. And it has that same dramatic metallic shiny feel of the piece that I did in the top right without having to place all the mosaic pieces. In addition to the glittery tops and bottoms, with hot glue I'm gluing 2 rows of diamond wrap in the center of each piece. Now for my large centerpieces, I'm using this piece that I already had from another project. This is from my wedding bling centerpiece video. And I made this by taking a large cylinder, wrapping the top with diamond wrap, and with epoxy I'm gluing the opening of that cylinder to the center of a candle dish, then a glass candlestick holder, and another candlestick holder mouth to mouth. And after those pieces dried, another large cylinder on top of that. You just want to make sure all the pieces are lined up and centered when you're gluing these together. And I put a few rows of diamond wrap in the center and at the top after these were dry. Also with these pieces, I'm going to paint and put the glitter mixture at the base of these centerpieces. And since I also want a sparkly display at the top of the centerpiece, I'm going to use this bowl that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it bronze and do the same effect on my bowl. I'm painting all but the center bottom because I want to attach this tap light to the bottom so that I can turn it on and have my centerpiece glow. Now it's time for the Mod Podge and glitter mixture, and this bowl will hold my flowers. And when the bowls are dry and I sit the bowl on top with the tap light hot glued to the bottom, it will make the whole centerpiece glow like this. But the diamond wrap on the cylinder will help to hide the tap light. For my place setting, I'm using these gold charger plates that I got from Dollar Tree and a large brush and my silver metallic paint. And I'm going to brush on large strokes of silver in a crosshatch pattern because I just want to get a little silver into this gold setting, and I wanted to have sort of a brushed metal look. So after all the plates were dried, I took sheets of diamond rhinestones that I got from Walmart, and I am pressing them right over the little circular indentations that are on the Dollar Tree plates. The rhinestones have an adhesive back, and you can add hot glue to make them stay on better, or another glue to make them more permanent, but I'm just going to stick these on so that I could later take them off. They should be fine for the event because we are going to take the charger plates off the table before we serve the food. So literally after I finished making everything, I had to rush over to the event to put everything together. I didn't have time to get flowers, so the chef picked up flowers for me, and I got some floral foam and inserted it into the bowls and started to put my arrangement together. The chef bought a couple of dozen roses and some greenery, and I evenly arranged them around each piece. And after adding a few fillers, turning on a tap light, and displaying it on top of the centerpiece, it all came together perfectly. For my place setting, I folded fancy fleur-de-lis napkins on top of each charger, placed the gray and white runner with a pattern that I really loved, which was made from material from curtains that I picked up from Walmart. I spray painted small glass bowls with looking glass spray paint and placed tap lights inside of them. I also placed tap lights inside the large sparkly candle holders to help light up the table and all the pieces with the same color light as I have at the top of the centerpiece. So just in time, the tables are set, people are starting to roll in, and we are ready to go.
Hey guys, here I am, chefs of the world again. One more time, guys. My faithful partner Toni right there. Got Heat Wave right here, and brother Ian right over here, man. We're about to have some fun. Look at these wonderful tables. Let me flip it around for y'all. Look at that. Let's look at this dining room. It's about to go down. What's that? Oh, that's that black pepper seared yellowfin tuna. That's what that is. Get ready, baby. Woo!
Chef Abe cooked up a beautiful and delicious 5-course meal. Guests like Tommy Smith, Dikembe Mutombo, and Ambassador Andrew Young were served by chefs from all over the world, including President Obama's personal White House chef, Daniel Thomas. My son Ian even helped out this year. Everything turned out beautiful, and we all had a great time helping to put this event together for a great cause. Now you can get our metallic acrylic craft paint in 8 shimmering colors, available now at Amazon.com. Follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat at Your Hustle Home and Your Hustle Home TV for daily home, food, and gardening tips.